The excretory system consists of the kidneys, lungs, liver, skin, and urinary tract. It has three main functions. The kidney, which is a bean-shaped structure, is located in the abdominal cavity. There are two, one on each side of the spine. The kidney is approximately 11 to 14 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters wide, and 4 centimeters thick. Calyces are cup-like extensions of the renal pelvis that urine empties into. The renal pelvis is the expanded proximal end of the ureter. It receives urine from the calyces. The medulla is the middle portion of the internal structure of the kidney. The cortex is the outer portion of the internal structure of the kidney. The renal capsule is the tough white fibrous membrane surrounding the kidney. The renal artery carries oxygenated blood to the kidney. The renal vein carries deoxygenated blood away from the kidney. The ureter is a tube that drains urine from the kidney into the bladder. The kidney has many functions. It removes waste and water from your blood, balances chemicals in your body, releases hormones, helps control blood pressure, helps produce red blood cells, and produces vitamin D to keep the bones strong and healthy. But the kidney's primary function is in the excretory system, to eliminate waste from the blood system. The urinary system, also called the urinary tract, is the organ system that produces, stores, and eliminates urine. Humans produce about 2.9 liters of urine over 24 hours, but the amount may vary according to circumstances. The urinary system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, the bladder, two sphincter muscles, nerves in the bladder, and the urethra. First, the kidney removes waste. The ureters carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. The bladder stores the urine. The two sphincter muscles keep the urine from leaking. The nerves in the bladder alert a person when it's time to urinate. And the urethra is the tube that allows the urine to pass outside the body. The primary function of the lungs is breathing, but in the excretory system, they remove the carbon dioxide that builds in your blood from respiration. One of the main functions of the liver in the excretory system is the breaking down of toxins. The liver makes the toxins harmless to the body. The liver also breaks down nitrogenous waste, converts it into urea, a harmless fluid, which transports out of the body when you urinate. It also filters out cholesterol and combines it with filtered waste to create bile. Then the liver sends the bile into the gallbladder for use in the intestines. The skin provides a waterproof protective covering for the body's internal environment. Sweat glands separate the wastes from the blood and send it out in the form of sweat, which regulates the concentration in the body while also keeping you cool. Multicystic dysplastic kidney, also called MCDK, is the most common type of renal cystic disease and one of the most common causes of abdominal mass in infants. This is a condition where a kidney has been replaced by multiple cysts, which is a fluid sac that grows and replaces normal kidney tissue on the kidney. This condition results from the malformation of the kidney during fetal development. The diagnosis is usually in the range of 21 to 31 weeks of age. MCDK is mostly discovered during an ultrasound before the baby is born. MCDK is not treatable. The patient is observed every once in a while to make sure the healthy kidney is working right and the other one isn't causing any adverse effect. In some cases, the unhealthy kidney is removed entirely. Children with MCDK and both kidneys usually don't survive, but if they need a kidney transplant at a young age.
The condition once out of every 4,300 births, is equally common in both genders, and is usually among Caucasians.